Hi guys, it's Ines. Welcome to my channel. In today's chest, you'll find a potion. What is a potion? I'll show you. This potion will teach you how to make these beautiful earrings. It's called Dagger Patels earrings. And as a matter of fact, I'm wearing them right now. It's a very good everyday wear earrings. They're not too big. They're not right in your face. You know, every time in the morning, if you're in a rush, you can just grab them and go. It's the same case with me. Plus, it has one of my favorite colors, turquoise. Another good thing is that it only requires very little beads. I'm sure you can find them in your leftover stash to make these earrings. The best thing is that it only takes 15 minutes to make one. 15 minutes, guys. Why not, right? Before we start this tutorial, I would like to let you know that there's also a PDF version available on my Etsy shop. I'll add the link down below in my description box. Please make sure to check it out. And if you don't like to sit in front of a computer and keep hitting pause and play all the time while you're beading, then go ahead and get the PDF version and print it out. I'm sure that will make your beading a lot easier. If you already got your PDF version, that's great. This video is especially made for you because you can see how exactly I make the earrings. If you like more of those tutorials, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button as well, so that way you can get the notifications every time I upload a new video. Alright, let's just open up Ines's chest right now. First, let's take a look what kind of material we need for this project. First, you'll need size 11 beading needle. You'll need beading thread. I'm using Fireline 4-pound crystal clear. And you'll need two colors of the 15 OC beads, one color mini dual, one piece of the 2-hole dagger bead. The color I'm using for the 15O, this one is called rainbow crystal with teal lining. This one is called metallic hematite, and this one is turquoise 2-hole dagger bead, 5 by 16 millimeter. And this one is opaque luster gray mini dual, 2 by 4 milliliter. And of course you'll need the jump ring and the ear wire as well. Alright, now let's get started with the earring. You'll need about 20 inch of thread. First, pick up 1 mini dual and 9 15 OC bead. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So 1 mini dual and 9 15 OC bead. And you're gonna make a loop. Leave about 5 inches of thread tail. Okay, pull it tight. Okay, this project is all about creating units. So we'll start with our first unit. First, you need to pass the needle back through the other hole of the mini dual. Pick up 1 15 OC bead and 1 mini dual. And then pass the needle back through the mini dual you just strung. Pull tight. Pick up 1 15O, 1 mini dual, 1 15O, 1 mini dual. and then pass the needle back through the last mini dual strand. Pull tight. Pick up 15-0 again. Pass the needle back through the very first mini dual, like this. See, now this is the first unit. So you just come out of the buttonhole of the mini dual here, and then you follow the thread path and bring the needle out from the mini dual on the top, like this, and then follow the thread, continue following the thread, and bring the needle back out from the bottom dual, top hole of the bottom mini dual, like this. Pull tight. Now we're going to start the second unit. You're gonna have to bring the needle back through the buttonhole of the mini dual, string on 15-0, one mini dual, and then bring the needle back through the buttonhole of the mini dual you just strung, like this. Pull tight and pick up 15-0, one mini dual, 15-0, one mini dual. Oops. Sometimes the beads just don't listen to you, but you're gonna show who is the boss. Okay, like this, and then bring the needle back from the other hole of the mini dual. Pull tight. We're about to finish the second unit. Now you pick up another one, 15-0, and pass the needle back through this buttonhole of the mini dual, and then bring the needle all the way back out from this mini dual here, and then pull tight. Now the second unit is complete. Now we're going to create the third unit on top of here, this. So string on 15-0, one mini dual, bring them down, bring the needle back from the other hole of the mini dual, pull tight, and then 15-0. Now you're gonna bring the needle back from here, this whole mini dual, and actually bring the needle all the way down, following the thread path, like this. Okay, you're coming out here, bring the needle back like here, and pull tight. All right, now this third unit is complete. Now, as you know, we're going to finish this bottom part, the fourth unit. So, 15-0, one mini dual, bring them down, bring the needle back from the other hole of the mini dual, pull tight, 15-0, and bring the needle back through the hole and all the beads on this line, and coming out from this mini dual. Okay, like this. Pull tight. Alright, now as you can see, we already finished the top part of the earring. Like this. Pretty easy, right? Now we're gonna do the dangle part of the earring. So your thread just came out of here, and you're gonna bring the needle back from here, the bottom hole of the mini dewel and the top hole of the very bottom mini dewel, like this. Okay, and bring the needle back through the other hole of the mini dewel at the bottom. Pull tight. Now string on 3 15-0 of the other color of the bead and 1 dagger bead and 3 15-0 again, and bring the needle back from the other side of the bottom mini dewel, like this. Pull tight, see, and you're gonna continue, follow the thread path past the 3 15-0 like this. Pull tight, pick up another 3 15-0, oops, and now this time go through the bottom hole of the dagger bead, like this. Pick up another 3 15-0 and go back to the other side, the beads on the other side of the dagger bead, like this. Pull tight. Okay, now as you can see, we're almost finished with this earring. Now you need to just reinforce the bottom part of this earring. Just follow the thread path, make it stronger. Okay, now all you need to do is just to weave in your thread and tie a couple of knots until you feel it's tight, strong enough. So I'm just gonna weave in and tie a knot like this, and then continue on. Go back through, just follow the thread path. Pretty easy. And now I'll just cut off the excess of the thread. with the thread tail, we'll just do the same. We'll weave in to the beadwork. Actually ring first the earring hook. Just go through the loop for a couple of times and tie a couple of knots along the way. After you finish, you just cut off the excess. Alright, see? Now your earring is finished. All you need to do is just to attach a jump ring and your ear wire. You open up the jump ring, put the earring on, ear wire on, close the jump ring. Alright, your earring is finished. So now you just need to make another one to make a pair. And here's your Dagger Patels earrings. What do you think, guys? I hope you give it a try and let me know what kind of color you use for your earrings. And if you have any trouble making it, remember I'm always here. Please leave comment down below and I'll make sure to check every one of them. And if you like this video, please give it a thumb up and share with the friends that you know. Anything you do to my channel will mean so much to me. Alright, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.